Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with new Relic API using license keys. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the new Relic API using license keys, start by accessing your new Relic account. Log into your account at the new Relic website. Once logged in, navigate to the API keys section. Locate your license key, which is essential for authentication. Copy the license key for later use. Next, open your preferred coding environment or terminal. If you are using a programming language like Python, ensure you have the requests library installed. You can check this by running the command pip install requests in your terminal. Now, create a new script file in your coding environment. Import the requests library at the top of your script. Define a variable to hold your new Relic license key. Assign the copied license key to this variable. Next, set the API endpoint you want to access. For example, use the URL https://api.newrelic.com/v2/applications.json. Now, set up the headers for your API request. In the headers, include an authorization key with the value API key your _license key. Replace your license key with your actual license key variable. Now, it's time to make the API request. Use the requests library to send a GET request to the API endpoint with the headers included. Store the response received from the API in a variable. Check the status code of the response to ensure the request was successful. If the status code is 200, the authentication was successful. You can then parse the JSON data returned by the API. Use response.json to retrieve the data in JSON format. Finally, print out the data to see the results of your API call. You have now successfully authenticated with the new Relic API using your license key. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.